Do you think this is what I look like without any makeup on? No. This is what I look like without any makeup on. Hey guys, it's Tina and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create my no makeup look within 5 minutes or less. I actually achieved it within less than 5 minutes. Obviously this video is longer because of the intro and the outro, but I am setting a timer on my phone so that you can see that it's achievable within less than 5 minutes, and it's not going to have any cuts or edits throughout the tutorial part of this video itself. This video is going to make the people who don't know you well think that you're not even wearing makeup, maybe just a little bit of mascara, and that's it. And it's going to fool those around you into thinking that this is your natural look. It's going to make you feel naturally pretty, not too heavy. It's great for if you want to sleep in a little bit before work or school, if you only have 5 minutes to do your makeup, or if you're just a busy parent. Before we move on to this video, please don't skip this. I have a very special announcement. I wrote a self-help book. That is right, the book is called Attracted. It was in the making for a few months now, and it is based on multiple self-help books that I have read about law of attraction and success in general. And this look, really, I'm saying it in the most non-biased way that I could possibly do as the author of this book, but I truly recommend it to anybody. Everybody, no matter what age, no matter where you're from, I recommend this book to anybody. This is a book that I wish I had in my hands many years ago, from the very beginning of my life, really. And I am going to show you the fundamentals of success. I'm going to walk you through the steps that you need to achieve any goal that you may have, and build an actual plan. I'm giving you fun little exercises and assignments to do throughout the book to build an actual plan to get what you want to get. And this book is also for anybody who feels a little stuck in their lives, and it's going to help you. I'm giving you tips for happiness in general, how to be happy, how to achieve anything you want. In that book, I'm sharing stories from my own personal life as well as other people's achievements and quotes from famous people on this subject. It is shorter than most self-help books because I really wanted to summarize everything that I've ever read and only give examples of actual scientific facts and the logic behind how everything works, and attraction and happiness in general and energy. It's just something that I really would recommend to read. And if you're watching this video the day that it was uploaded or within the first week that it was uploaded, then you're lucky because you can get the book right now for only 99 cents. That's right, changing your entire life and be way happier for only less than $1. I don't think you can argue with that. You have nothing to lose except 99 cents. And the gift that I promise you in the title of this video is that I'm going to share with you a link for the first few pages or even chapters of the book for free. If you're not sure if you want to get it and you're contemplating about the subject, you want to get a little sneak peek of it, the link is going to be down below for you guys, my lovely subscribers. If you're watching this video today, this book is available now on Amazon. The link is going to be down below. Please go and check it out. I'm sure it will help you, and let me know what you think. Don't forget to leave a comment on the Amazon store after you did it. And yeah, thank you very much. I'm so excited about this, and I hope you're going to love it. I know you will. And now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so to start, I am going to set up a timer just so we can see how long it takes us. So let's see, and start. I'm not using any foundation on a daily basis. I'm only using concealer, and I like to use a MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and I'm mixing 2 shades as of now, the NW20 and NC20. This is my kind of in-between shade. All right. Have them in my hand, and now I'm just going to mix them together and dot under my eyes, on the sides of my nose, and I'm also going to use this as a highlighter for the middle of my nose. So a little bit on the bridge of the nose and a little bit on the tip of the nose, just like that. Then I'm using my pointing finger to gently dab that all around this area, which is under the eye, outwards, downwards, and on the sides of the nose, like this. And then I'm dragging whatever's left under my nose to conceal any redness that might be there. And using my ring finger, I'm only going to take a little bit more. The ring finger is the weakest finger that we have, and the under eye area is very gentle. So the ring finger is ideal to use for that. And I'm just applying a little bit more in the darkest area under my eyes, which for me is the area that is right there. Alright, now I'm going to move on to contouring, just using a contour stick. This is by Fenty Beauty. 2 lines on the sides and 1 across. And once again, using my fingers to just dab that in and blend it. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Natural to set that with a fluffy brush. This is just a fluffy powder brush. Use it all over, and I'm also putting a little bit over my eyelids since I'm not going to be using eyeshadow, but I want to kind of just hide any veins and discolorations and make my complexion even overall. I'm using my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and this is going to use as my kind of bronzer slash contour slash color to my face, and also like a blush, because I don't have time for blush. So I'm just using it all over with my Sigma angled brush. And now moving on to my eyebrows, combing them with one end of my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow stick. This is the Brow Wiz. And then with the pencil side, I'm just filling in any gaps on my eyebrows to make them look a little more even, a little more straight, and then combing them once again to put them in place. And now basically I'm moving on to eyeliner. Is like, it's not mandatory, I'm not using it always, just sometimes if I want to look a little extra and I see that I still have time. So I'm just dabbing a little bit of black liner on the edge of my eye, just on the outer corner, and drawing it straight from the pencil. And that pencil, then I'm taking an angled brush and I'm just smudging it outwards to wing it just a little bit. Once again, this is a not mandatory step. I'm not doing it every day, just when I want to look a little more extra. Maybe if it's an evening time or something like that. And that's it. Now I'm moving to the mascara. Putting a little bit on my top lashes, not too much. And I'm not applying any mascara on my bottom lashes just because I have droopy eyes and I find that making them look even more downturned. Check out my latest video about mascara for downturned or droopy eyes to see a little bit more about that and get some more tips. Alright, and most of the time I'm only applying lip balm and I'm done, but since I have like 20 more seconds, I'm going to apply a little bit of a lip liner. Put it in a lift. And stop. 4 minutes, 52 seconds, and we're done. Woohoo! And yeah, so this is the finished look. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry throughout this video I'm talking really fast or mispronouncing things. It's just because I was obviously in a hurry to try and do this within less than 5 minutes. But we got it done, so I hope you're going to try it out. Let me know in the comments below if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to check out my book, Attracted. The link is down below once again for even a free, like 1 or 2 first chapters of the book if you want to just decide if you want to get it or not. But once again, I really, really do recommend it to anybody. And if you're watching this within the first week, then you can get it for 99 cents. Make sure to do that and let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Make sure to leave a review on Amazon if you liked it. And rate it. It will help so much, tremendously. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.